Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I am jumping on here real quick to do a completion review, or post review of a product that I got from Fansells. Now they were kind enough to send me a couple items to review on my channel, and I will put a link to the original unboxing of this in the description box. But I completed this and I wanted to show you what it looked like completed. So this was the tree light catcher, and y'all, this is what this turned out to look like. This is gorgeous, and I hope y'all can see. I'll bring a little so that y'all can see better, but it came with this chain that just clips onto these holes that are right here. And I'm using natural light, so I hope that the shine and the sparkle, I hope y'all can see this, because this is absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, the light catches this, and then it has these dangling beads that you have to put together. Now, I did have to bring out the needle nose, and it did take me a few minutes to figure out how to do it, because they don't have the directions to put these together, but it's really easy once you look and you see how to do it. But this is the little bead dangles that are on there, and like I said, I may not have done it correctly, but I did it the best way that I could with no directions. But yeah, and as you can see, they just dangle, and you can hang it on your door, you can hang it outside like a sun catcher, you can hang it on a window, and my window is right here on the right hand side, and I have the window blinds open, and as you can see, it is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I had left. Now, I use these little containers because, you know, these little special drills, they don't really have a whole lot with them. So I just use these little 4-pack containers. But look, y'all, I had a lot left, okay? I did not run out of anything. I had quite a bit left. Even with the special shapes, I had a lot left, as you can see. And I even had a lot of the hardware left over. And I hope that, you know, I don't think I was supposed to use them all, but I had quite a bit of that left over. They did only send 3 of the chains and then this big one. So if you lose those, then I don't know what to tell you. But as far as the drills are concerned, I had plenty of those. I had, you know, everything was enough. But like I said, isn't that gorgeous? Now, it was only the one side. This side, you didn't drill anything on this side. It's just a piece of acrylic or plastic or whatever you want to call it. But y'all, look at this. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Plenty of sticky on there. I had no issues with anything. Like I said, the only thing I had an issue with is it took me a minute to figure out how to do these. And I'm not real sure, 100% sure I have them correctly, but it works. And the way that I did that is I just kept looking at the thumbnail on how they had them on there. So I would say that they might want to take and put a little bit of directions on how to do the hardware. But other than that, y'all, perfect. Absolutely perfect. And gorgeous. And I just hope y'all are getting the full effect of this, because it is beautiful. And I am going to take this, and I'm probably going to hang it outside on my porch. So yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here. And oh, and this is on Fansells for $8.41. So it's still available. So you can definitely get over there and get you one. And I think it's well worth it. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.